Look at mommy. Do chill out. Deep breaths. Come on. Big one. In. Big one in. Hey. Good deep breath. Do one more. Good job. Do you need another deep breath? Call Granddad again. What's his other name? Call him. You are calling Mr. Lawyer. Where is he? He is. What's he doing? He is on the phone with Uncle Kev. Where's Mima? What's her other name? No. Mima's other name.
What?
Yeah, first name though. D. Yell for her.
Diane!
Okay, call Granddad again. No, his other name.
Grandma.
No. Mr. Mr. Ho? Mr. Potato? Say potato. Say po.
Po.
Tay.
Tay.
Toe.
Toe.
Po. Tay.
Yo.
Say potato.
Potato.
Mr. Potato.
Potato.
Cade, stop saying that. Say that. Say it. Stop.
Stop, Mom.
Stop what?
Mommy.
Why?
Why?
Cade, why are you doing that?
Take it off.
Why are you taking it off?
Look, Mom. Look, Mom.
It's beautiful.
The big one.
It's a big one.
That's a big one.
You're crazy. Show me your crazy face. Cade, let me see your crazy face. Show me your evil laugh. Cry. Show me surprised.
Surprise!
Show me sleeping. Close your eyes. Show me big, deep breaths. All right. Tell the camera.
Cheese.
No. This one.
Like this. Cheese.
No.
Cheese.
Say it. Say it. You're hiding?
Hi, Mima.
You're hiding from Mima?
My mom's pet. How the real is Mama's bed.
Okay. Bye.